should be 15. So how can they be 15? Suppose if one gets, we'll consider one maximum case. One gets 6, other also gets 6. So the third one should get how much? Minimum how much? 6 plus 6, 12. And third one should get minimum 3, right? So in any case, if first two get 6, the third one gets 1, then the total can be 15. If the first two get 6, the third one gets 2, then also the total can be 15. So in any case, if the face has 1 or 2 number, the total can be 15, right? So required equals to total is 15 on the top faces. If there is 1 or 2 on any face, then total cannot be 15, right? So the required is what? What is the combination required? So we'll consider what combinations are possible. See here, first easiest combination is 555 on all, right? That is number 1. Second is what? See here, let it be 3 on the first die. So the second and third will be 6 6. Only then the 15 is possible. Now let's move this 3 one by one. So it will be 636 and 663. This combination is gone. So 4 are there up till now. Now the first die can be 4 then. What happens then? 4, 6, 5. Okay. Or this 6 and 5 can interchange with each other. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this 4 can move to the center. So what will happen? See this. It will be 6, 4, 5 means this combination. This one. Or 5, 4, 6 means this combination. Right? These two are possible. Now this 4 can move from center to the last one. So it will be 5, 6, 4 or 6, 5, 4. Right? So these are the only combinations possible where we can get total as 15 on the top. So how many are there? 10. So total required is 10. What is the total? Total means one outcome raised to how many trials are done. Means how many dice are thrown. So 6 cube, 2 and 6. So probability equals to required. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.